Do animals who have passed away try to connect and communicate with us? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. One of the most commonly asked questions to me is if whether animals who have passed away try to connect and communicate with us. And the answer to that question is yes. Losing a pet is one of the biggest griefs that we all go through. It is a very difficult time for us as a pet parent, and it takes a lot of time and patience, grief, and bereavement to overcome that loss. In this phase, very often our pets who have passed away would reach out to us to help us grieve and bereave their death. A few ways in which they do reach out is you will usually sense them around. Oftentimes, we humans will think as though we are just hallucinating and we are not sure if it's the animal. But if you strongly sense your animal around, you can be rest assured that your animal is visiting you to help you through your grief. And even much later after they have passed away, if you feel them around, it's quite possible that they are visiting you. The second thing is you may smell them. Even that is a way of your animal sharing a message with you that they are around you. You may also see them, you may hear them. For example, you will hear them bark sometimes if you have a dog, or if you can hear them walk around. And all these things are your animals reaching out to you even after they have passed away or have dropped their physical bodies. Sometimes they communicate with you through your dreams. Sometimes you may see their names popping up every day. Sometimes they even send you messages through other animals such as butterflies or certain birds which you keep seeing repeatedly. And at times you may keep seeing another animal who replicates or resembles your animal exactly. So these are a few ways when our animals reach out to us after they have passed away. If you have experienced any of this or more, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below and share your experiences so that we can all learn from it.